Hello everyone, this is Suraj here. So today we will see how to implement one classic load balancer at the top of two EC2 instances. Okay, so for that I will go to my AWS account first. Here you can see I am in Singapore region and I will launch two EC2 instances. We'll click on launch instances and we'll choose Amazon Linux to AMI and we'll select and we'll choose the instance type as t2.micro. Okay, and here the number of instances should be 2 because I wanted to choose 2. Okay, otherwise you can I can try with 3 also. I will launch 3 same instances, right? Okay, and after that here you can see user data is there. Okay, here I will paste one script and after that I will let you know what these scripts mean. Okay, let me explain you what is this. The first line is this is bash type script, right? Second one is we are switching into the root user. Okay, this line is yum install httpd-y, that means it is installing httpd service in the EC2 instance, right? And after that it is changing the path to /var/www/html. okay, and after that it is running this command and the output of this command will be stored in index.html file. Okay, now the question is index.html file is not there in this location, right? So here first index.html file will be created first. If it is not there, then the output of this command will be there, means will be stored in index.html file, right? So after that once the HTML file gets created and the data is stored in that file, then service httpd start. Okay, this command will be run. Okay, that means the httpd service will be started, right? Means all the things will happen after EC2 instance gets started, right? Okay, then I will add storage. We'll add tag name web server 1. We'll create one security group, that is EC2SG. This is EC2SG. Port 22 is opened in inbound rule. Okay, we'll launch this and this time we will proceed without a key pair. Okay, it's getting launched. We'll view instances. Okay, here you can see all the instances have been launched, means are getting launched with the tag name web server 1. Okay, so I will change this is web server 1. I will change this to web server 2. Okay, and this one I will change it to web server 3, right? Okay, all the servers are running now. Okay, now I will go to the public IP of each EC2 instance, right? So I'll select this one and we'll copy this public IP and we'll paste it in a new tab. We'll search for this. Let's check whether it is opening or not. It's not opening. What is the issue? The issue is that the port 80 is not opened. Okay, but we are trying to open the public IP using port 80. Okay, here you can see error connection timed out. That means something is wrong with the security group or network access control list. Okay, so I will check the security group first because we have created the security group but have not opened the port 80. So this is our security group EC2SG and we'll go here and we'll add another rule, that is HTTP, and we'll allow from anywhere. we'll go to instances, and again if I check this, yes, you can see greetings from this IP, from this is the host name of the EC2 instance which we have selected. Okay, so 172.31.18.193. here you can see this is the private IP, and the DNS is, yes, host name is this, you can see, yes, these are, and this is matching actually, right? And we'll check with web server 2 also. We'll go to public IP. Yes, you can see 172.31.19.46. let's check 172.31.19.46. okay, and we'll do the same for web server 3 also. Okay, so this is the public IP I have pasted. Here you can see 172.31.27.100. yes, this is the same. Okay, now that means it is actually working. Okay, now our ultimate aim is to create one classic load balancer and implement that load balancer on the top of these 3 EC2 instances, right? That means we will not directly communicate to this EC2 instance, rather we will communicate to classic load balancer, and the classic load balancer will internally communicate to these instances and will show the output, or will send the output to the user. Okay, and the user should not have the access to these EC2 instances, right? User should have access to that classic load balancer only, right? Okay, so we'll go to load balancer here, and this time I will create one load balancer. Okay, we'll click on create load balancer. Here you can see this is a classic load balancer. I will create one. I will put the load balancer name as my CLB. Okay, we'll assign the security group. Okay, space is there, right? Yes. Now this time we will create one CLB SG. This is CLB SG security group. Okay, you can see port 80 is opened and the source is anywhere. From anywhere we can connect to this classic load balancer. Okay, now we'll go to the health check part. Okay, the index.html, let it be as it is. Okay, now I will register all the instances under this classic load balancer. Okay, we'll select all these EC2 instances. 3 instances are selected now. Connection draining. Okay, that is 300 seconds. Let it be. Add tag. Name my CLB. Review and create. Okay, it's getting created. Yes, you can see here. I will refresh this page, and this is the DNS. Okay, so I will copy this and paste the same in the tab, in a new tab. Okay, it's not getting loaded yet. Maybe something is wrong, or not. Nothing is wrong actually. It is taking time to get provisioned. Okay, yes, here you can see it is getting loaded now. Okay, I will refresh this, and if you have observed, the hostname is getting changed every time I refresh. Okay, that means the request is getting served by different elastic load balancer. Okay, now the problem is that I can access each EC2 instances using its public IP. Okay, you can see I have pasted the public IP of web server 3. Okay, but I can access this, but we have to restrict the access. Users should connect to Elastic Load Balancer only, not directly to the EC2 instance, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to the security group, and in the EC2 SG we have to edit the inbound rule. Okay, that means, so here you can see HTTP is allowed from anywhere. Okay, that should not be the case. The case should be HTTP should be allowed from classic load balancer only. Okay, so here I will paste the classic load balancer security group. Here you can see, so I will delete this one. Okay, this is the security group for classic load balancer. Okay, we'll save this rule, and now if you check, I have refreshed this page, and this is the public IP of web server 3, but it is not getting loaded. Otherwise I can check from here also. I'll paste in a new tab. See, it's not getting loaded. We'll try out another EC2 instance. No, it's not getting loaded. Okay, that means our Elastic Load Balancer is working fine, and the user can access Elastic Load Balancer only, but not the EC2 instance directly. Okay, so that's it for now today. We'll see you in the next video, and if you really like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.